When you register for VAT, you'll need to tell us your VAT taxable turnover on the VAT registration form or VAT-1. This helps us decide if you exceed the VAT threshold. Your VAT taxable turnover is the total of all standard, reduced and zero-rated goods and services you sell. It doesn't include any exempt supplies you make. Your business turnover may be £100,000, but if £30,000 comes from exempt supplies, your VAT taxable turnover is £70,000. You must show the amount in box 17 on the VAT-1 form. There's more about taxable turnover in the VAT-1 notes and VAT notice 700/1 on gov.uk. You'll find it useful to read page 9 of the VAT-1 notes before you complete this part of the form. For question 20, you must also give us a full description of all your business activities. For example, what kind of goods and services do you supply? Goods are if you pass ownership of any movable items to another person. Services are if you do something other than supply goods in return for payment. There's more information on goods and services in VAT Notice 700 on gov.uk. Finally, if your business activities involve buying, selling or letting land and property, as well as your VAT-1, send HMRC a form VAT-5L. This asks for specific information about your land and property business activities. Supplies of land and buildings, such as some freehold sales, leasing or renting, are normally exempt from VAT, so they're not part of your VAT taxable turnover. As you don't charge VAT, you can't claim back input VAT on exempt supplies. Some businesses opt to tax their land and property activities and charge VAT. You'll find detailed information in VAT Notices 742 Land and Property and 742A opting to tax land and buildings. You can find out more about VAT on gov.uk.